Welcome to our video on 10 floor plans that are quietly going out of style. In today's fast-paced world, home design trends are constantly evolving, and what was once desirable is now falling out of favor. Join us as we explore the floor plans that are losing their appeal, from the overly spacious McMansions to the confining U-shaped kitchens. Whether you're designing your dream home or simply curious about the changing landscape of interior design, this video will shed light on what to avoid and what's making a comeback in modern living. 1. Open concept living feels less like a sanctuary. Picture this. You're working from your dining table, your kids are gaming 5 feet away, and someone's blending a smoothie in the kitchen. What once felt airy and social now feels noisy and exposed. The open concept floor plan, once hailed as the gold standard, has started to lose its luster. According to Zillow, homes with more defined rooms now sell faster, as buyers crave privacy and separation between spaces. Real estate agents report that buyers want to close a door and escape, not just see every room from the front door. As people work and relax at home more, defined zones foster calm, focus, and comfort. Suddenly, those walls that were knocked down for flow are being missed for their ability to give each activity its own moment. 2. McMansion scale loses its shine and status. Remember the days when bigger was always better? The McMansion, a sprawling, often awkwardly laid out home, once screamed success. Now, it quietly whispers, wasteful. Today's buyers are drawn to homes that feel smart, not just big. Oversized rooms and double-height foyers make heating, cooling, and furnishing a headache. Market data shows a clear shift. Smaller, more efficient footprints are in, especially as energy costs and sustainability concerns rise. Designers are seeing clients ask for homes that live larger than they look, focusing on quality and flow over raw square footage. A well-designed 2,000 square feet will trump a poorly planned 4,000 every time. 3. Formal dining rooms become a bygone ritual. Think back to family holidays. The formal dining room set untouched for months until Thanksgiving arrives. More than 60% of homeowners, according to House, are ditching these stiff, underused spaces. Instead, they're opting for layouts that blend casual dining with open kitchens and flexible nooks. Stagers say that buyers light up when they see a dining area that doubles as a homework spot or game table. By knocking down walls or adding built-in benches, homeowners create spaces that feel current and lived in, not like a museum for fine china. The energy shifts from off-limits to always in use. 4. Split-level designs create confusing transitions. Split-level homes, with their half-staircase jumps between living zones, once felt modern and fun. Now, they're more likely to frustrate buyers. The abrupt changes in elevation can make rooms feel disconnected, and stagers say that split levels often get skipped over by younger buyers who want clean sightlines and easy flow. Even a one-step difference can break the visual harmony of a home. According to designers, the lack of unity in split-level layouts can make a home feel smaller and more complicated than it needs to be. As a result, these homes tend to linger on the market, waiting for someone willing to tackle the quirks. 5. U-shaped kitchens feel boxy and closed in. If you've ever tried to cook with a friend in a tight U-shaped kitchen, you know the shuffle. Someone always stuck in the corner, elbows bumping. While this layout maximizes counter space, it often sacrifices openness and sociability. Today, L-shaped kitchens or those with a central island are preferred for their sightlines and ease of movement. Designers point out that even a 1-foot increase in walkway space can make a kitchen feel twice as inviting. Islands invite conversation, snacks, and homework, turning the kitchen into the true heart of the home. U-shapes can feel like a box you can't escape. 6. Sunken living rooms trip up modern living. Sunken living rooms were once the epitome of 70s cool, but now they mostly trip up, sometimes literally, homeowners. These lowered spaces break up the visual flow and can be a nightmare for anyone with mobility challenges. Stagers say families worry about little kids or older relatives taking a tumble. Designers note that a sunken floor can make furniture placement awkward, with rugs and sofas never quite fitting right. Modern buyers favor flush, seamless transitions between rooms, allowing spaces to feel bigger and more flexible. Sunken rooms often end up unused or, worse, become a catch-all for clutter. 7. Galley kitchens limit daily connection. Galley kitchens, with cabinets and counters pressed tightly on either side, once made sense for city apartments and efficiency. But in a suburban or family home, they can feel claustrophobic and isolating. Cooking becomes a solo act, cut off from the action in the rest of the house. Designers say that buyers consistently ask for kitchens where everyone can hang out, and that means breaking the galley mold. Even opening up just one wall can transform a galley into a social space. Stagers report that homes with open or semi-open kitchens sell faster because they invite gathering and conversation. 8. Oversized master suites waste valuable space. Walking into a massive master bedroom might feel luxurious for a moment, but then reality sets in. What do you actually do with all that extra square footage? Oversized suites often mean less space elsewhere, like smaller secondary bedrooms or tight living areas. Buyers now prefer cozy, well-designed bedrooms with smart storage and natural light. Designers recommend scaling back the bedroom to make room for a larger walk-in closet or a flexible sitting nook. The focus has shifted to comfort and efficiency, not echoing emptiness. Right-sized is the new luxury. 9. Traditional basements feel like afterthoughts. Once, basements were dark, unfinished spaces for laundry or storage, maybe a game table if you were lucky. Today's homeowners want every square foot to count. Designers are transforming basements into bright, usable rooms, home offices, gyms, playrooms, or theaters. Adding bigger windows, better lighting, and warm finishes makes a dramatic difference. Stagers say that a finished basement can add major value, but a dark, musty one can drag down a sale. Homeowners are realizing the power of reclaiming this underused space and making it a true extension of their living area. 10. Boxy floor plans lack flow and interest. Boxy, rectangular floor plans were once the default, offering predictability and easy furniture placement. But buyers now crave homes that feel dynamic and alive. Designers are introducing angled walls, curved corners, and visual breaks that draw the eye and make rooms feel more spacious. Even something as simple as a bumped-out window seat or cove ceiling can change the entire energy of a space. Stagers note that homes with creative layouts photograph better and stand out in crowded real estate listings. Buyers respond emotionally to homes that surprise them in small, delightful ways. The end.